In this video, we'll learn about Power BI connectors. So in Power BI offers a variety of connectors to help you integrate and analyze the data. You can see all the connectors by clicking on this Get Data button. So here you will get a few Power BI connectors, but when you click more, you will get a full list of connectors like Excel, CSV, PDF. Further, these connectors are divided into categories. Like when you click on File, you get the connectors like Excel, CSV, JSON, PDF, and SharePoint folder. When you click on Database, it has all the connectors which related to database like SQL Server database, Oracle database, MySQL database, and this is the list of all the connectors in database. Microsoft Fiber, it has the connectors of Power BI semantic model. Like when we already have a Power BI report, so you can use the semantic model of that report into the new report. So these are the Microsoft Fiber. Then we have Power Platform. It has Dataverse, data flows, Power BI data flows. In Azure, we have the connectors related to Azure, like Azure SQL database. All of these. Then we have online services. In online services, we have SharePoint Online List, Exchange Online, the connectors related to Dynamics, then Salesforce report, Salesforce object, and GitHub. So all these are related to online services. Okay. Then some of the connectors we have in others category. So in this we have web, like if you want to get data from a website. Then we have SharePoint list, Microsoft Exchange, Python script, and all of these, like Google Sheets. And okay. So these are all the connectors. Whenever we need to connect with any of these connectors, we can just click on like on that particular connector. Like if you want to connect if you want to connect the SharePoint list, so we can click on online services, then we click on SharePoint online list, then click on connect. So it will ask for some basic credentials or the URL of that site. So each and every connector requires some specific details to get connected. Like in SharePoint Online List, we need the URL and access to that particular list. So in this way, we can connect to any of these connectors if we have that particular permission or credentials for that data source. Yeah, that's all. Bye.